think the other piece that Simply AP does really well is the fact that there are obviously, this space is cluttered, Chuck. There are many AP automation solutions out there, but there are not a lot that are integrated into the ERP.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
hey, great. Yeah,
Hmm.
we can pull in invoices, but here's the piece, we're
Hmm.
seamlessly integrated to BC. So, as we extract that data and we confirm who the vendor is, we pull in a purchase order, we're bumping that up against BC. We're retrieving all the details of that purchase order that's already been created in BC and a
Hmm.
receipt's been there.
Hmm.
We're validating vendor information. So not only, do you get the benefits of artificial intelligence and machine learning with that data extraction, but the integration to BC ensures that we're doing the checks and balances for you versus the AP clerk
Hmm.
or your AP management team.
Hmm.
We're doing that behind the scenes. We're alerting you if we see something that's gone awry.
Hmm. Well, that's why this is of so much interest to me. Turnkey Technology. We are an ERP consultant, and we provide these systems turnkey, soup to nuts. But if all you're doing is piling, a ton of money into a big expensive calculator without improving your process and improving your, getting this increased return on investment, then why did you even do it in the first place?